The Summit SDHR1534PNR redefines beverage refrigeration with commercial-grade precision and sophisticated undercounter design that transforms any space into a professional-grade beverage station. Summit engineered this 15-inch wide refrigerator with a shallow 18-inch depth that slides seamlessly under standard counters, making it perfect for home bars, kitchen islands, offices, and commercial wet bars where space is premium. The panel-ready door allows you to match existing cabinetry for a completely integrated look, while the right-hand swing provides convenient access. What truly elevates this unit is its commercial approval to NSF 7 standards, ensuring reliable performance in demanding environments. The 1.7 cubic foot interior provides ample storage for 80-plus cans or dozens of wine bottles, while the cantilevered glass shelving system offers flexible organization. Front breathing ventilation eliminates the need for side clearance, perfect for built-in insulations. Digital controls with temperature memory function maintain precise cooling between 34 to 43 degrees Fahrenheit, while the open door alarm at high temperature alert protect your valuable inventory. The stainless steel interior resists corrosion and cleans easily, while the LED lighting beautifully showcases your beverage collection. The integrated lock secures contents in commercial or household settings. Operating at just 15 amps on standard 115V power, it's energy efficient yet powerful. The ETLS certification ensures safety and sanitation compliance. For homeowners wanting bar-grade refrigeration, business owners needing commercial reliability, or designers seeking seamless integration, the SDHR1534PNR delivers exceptional long-term value. This is the ultimate undercounter beverage solution that combines professional performance, elegant design, and space-saving efficiency in one premium package.